Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of indoor plants. There's just something about bringing the outdoors in, you know? It freshens up your home, makes it feel so alive, and honestly, who doesn't love a little bit of greenery? But I get it. Not all of us were born with green thumbs, and even if you were, some plants can be a bit high maintenance. That's why we're focusing on indoor trees that provide that beautiful shade you want without shedding leaves all over your house. Now, I'm all about creating spaces that are both beautiful and functional, and these trees truly fit the bill. They add a touch of elegance, purify the air, and can even make a room feel larger. Plus, they're surprisingly easy to care for, which is always a win in my book. Whether you're an experienced plant parent or just starting out, I've got some great options for you. So, if you're ready to transform your home with some stunning indoor trees, stick around. We're about to explore some of my absolute favorites, and I can't wait to share them with you. Let's get started. First up, we have the ever-popular Fiddle Leaf Fig. Now, you've probably seen these beauties all over Instagram and Pinterest, and for good reason. Their large, sculptural leaves make a real statement in any room. They're like living pieces of art, honestly. The Fiddle Leaf Fig is perfect for those looking to add a touch of drama and sophistication to their homes. They thrive in bright, indirect light and prefer to dry out between waterings. And while they might seem a bit intimidating at first, I promise they're not too fussy once you get to know them. Just be sure to give them a good amount of light. They really soak it up. Imagine this. You're relaxing on the couch, sunlight streaming through those gorgeous, oversized leaves, casting playful shadows on the wall. It's like having your own little piece of paradise right in your living room. Plus, they're known for their air-purifying qualities, so not only do they look stunning, but they're also good for you. If you're looking for a low-maintenance tree that makes a big impact, the Fiddle Leaf Fig is definitely worth considering. Next up, we have the rubber plant, a classic choice for a reason. These beauties are known for their thick, glossy leaves that come in a variety of shades, from deep green to burgundy to even variegated varieties. Talk about adding a pop of color to your space, but here's the best part. Rubber plants are incredibly low maintenance. They tolerate low light conditions and are pretty drought tolerant, so you don't have to worry about watering them constantly. They're like that friend who's always up for anything, you know, they just go with the flow. And honestly, who doesn't need a friend like that, especially in the plant world? Picture this. You've got a cozy reading nook tucked away in a corner that doesn't get a ton of natural light. The rubber plant is your go-to for bringing in some life and color without throwing a fit about the lack of sunshine. Plus, they're known for being pet-friendly, so you can rest assured your furry friends are safe around these beauties. Now, if you're looking to create a tropical oasis right in your living room, then the Areca palm is calling your name. These graceful beauties are known for their feathery fronds that bring a touch of elegance and tranquility to any space. Think about those luxurious resorts you see in magazines with the swaying palm trees and the sound of the ocean in the background. The Areca palm lets you bring a little bit of that vacation vibe right into your own home, and don't let their delicate appearance fool you. These palms are surprisingly hardy and easy to care for. They prefer bright, indirect light and like to dry out slightly between waterings. Imagine this. You're sipping your morning coffee, sunlight filtering through those feathery fronds, casting a warm glow over your kitchen. It's the perfect way to start your day, right? Plus, they're known for their air-purifying qualities, so you can breathe easy, knowing they're working hard to keep your home fresh and clean. Let's step back in time for a moment, shall we? The parlour palm is a true classic, popular in Victorian homes for its elegance and air-purifying qualities. Imagine those grand parlours filled with antique furniture and the gentle sway of parlour palm fronds. They add a touch of history and sophistication to any room. But don't think for a second that they're stuck in the past. These palms are still incredibly popular today because they're just so darn easy to care for. They're relatively small in stature, making them perfect for apartments or smaller spaces. And they're incredibly adaptable, tolerating low to medium light conditions. Picture this. You've got a cozy bedroom with a vintage dresser and a stack of well-loved books. The parlour palm sits gracefully in the corner, adding a touch of life and charm to the space. It's like stepping back in time, but in the best way possible. Last but certainly not least, we have the Dracaena, a true showstopper that requires minimal effort. These beauties come in a variety of shapes, sizes and colors, so you're sure to find one that perfectly suits your style. From the spiky leaves of the dragon tree to the colorful stripes of the rainbow plant, there's a Dracaena for everyone. And here's the kicker. They're incredibly low maintenance. They tolerate low light conditions, are drought tolerant, and don't mind the occasional mist watering. Talk about a plant that fits into your busy schedule. Imagine this. You've got a bright, airy living room with a neutral color palette. The Dracaena, with its vibrant foliage, adds a much-needed pop of color and texture. It's like adding a piece of art to your home, but one that also happens to purify the air. Plus, they're known for being relatively pest-free, so you can enjoy their beauty without worrying about unwanted visitors. Well, there you have it, folks. 5 amazing indoor trees that provide shade, require minimal care, and won't wreak havoc on your home. I hope this guide has inspired you to bring a little bit of nature into your own space. Remember, choosing the right plants can make all the difference in creating a home that's both stylish and healthy. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you and your lifestyle. And who knows, you might just discover a hidden green thumb you never knew you had. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, y'all. Happy planting!